Hello students, in this video we will continue the earlier video of types of chemical reactions, and here in this video we will know about oxidation and reduction reactions. So first of all we will see the oxidation reaction. It is a process in which oxygen or any electronegative element is added up or hydrogen or any electropositive element is removed. For example, H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide, when will react with iodine, then the reaction will yield Hi, that is hydrogen iodide, and sulfur. And here you can see hydrogen has removed from sulfur. So here in this reaction we can say oxidation is taking place. Because in oxidation we are saying that hydrogen or any electropositive element is removed. We can see the another reaction for oxidation. Here sulfur is reacting with oxygen for giving SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, and here you can see oxygen is adding to sulfur. That's why it is also an example of oxidation. Now we will see the reduction reaction. It is a process in which hydrogen or an electropositive element added up or oxygen or electronegative element is removed. So we can say that reduction is just opposite to oxidation. So here are the examples for showing reduction. When chlorine will react with hydrogen to give HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, then this is an example of reduction because here addition of hydrogen is taking place. Here's another example for showing reduction. CuO, that is copper oxide, when will react with hydrogen, then it will give copper and water. And here you can see from copper oxide, removal of oxygen is taking place. Now come to the redox reaction. A chemical reaction in which one substance is oxidized and the other is reduced is called a redox reaction. All oxidation reduction reactions are redox reactions. Here's the example showing redox reaction. You can see when CuO, that is cuprous oxide, when will react with hydrogen, then the reaction will yield copper and water. In this reaction, both oxidation and reduction are taking place as it is the reversible reaction. This is the sign of reversible reaction. So you can understand as there is the addition of hydrogen, thus this reaction becomes example of reduction reaction. And similarly, when we will see this reaction in the opposite direction, then we can see that when copper is reacting with water molecule, then here the reaction will yield CuO, that is cuprous oxide, and hydrogen. And here in this reaction, hydrogen is removing. That's why we can say it is also an example of oxidation reaction. Thus, as both the reduction and oxidation reactions are taking place in this reaction, thus it is an example of redox reaction. Effect of oxidation reduction in everyday life is corrosion and rancidity. So now we will discuss about corrosion. When metals are exposed to atmospheric condition, they react with air or water in the environment to form undesirable compounds. This process is called as corrosion. Or there is another definition of corrosion. Corrosion is a process of deterioration of a metal as a result of its reaction with air or water surrounding it. The rusting of iron is best example of corrosion. Now we will see rancidity. The oxidation of fats and oils is called rancidity, which changes the taste and smell of food. So these both corrosion and rancidity are examples of redox reactions. So students, this is all about oxidation reduction reactions.